Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a changing color auto captions in CapCut PC. So first, what you need to do after you import your video to CapCut PC is activate the auto captions. So just click on your clips and go to tags and then go to the auto captions, and after that choose the language and just click on create. Okay, so just wait until the auto captions are created. So in here you can see that the auto
vegan,
caption
and more
has been
importantly,
created, and to make it a color changing you can just split oops you can just edit the word like this. You can click on enter, but I'm going to just change it in by phrase like this. And first I'm going to, for example, change the font first into classic one. You can see that if I change this one, the next caption will be automatically follow the format of the first one like this. So to make it or to have a color changing effect, I'm going to change the first one into, okay, for example, this colors right here. And then for the next one, you need to click on, or you need to uncheck this box apply to all, and then change the next one, the color of the next caption. Example in here. Okay, so when you see that the first one is pink and the next one is following the previous color in here. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial for me.
vegan, and more
I hope this
importantly,
tutorial
all
will
of
be
which
helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below.